Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making sourdough French toast sticks. These little French toast sticks use up your leftover sourdough bread. You can use hot dog buns, you can use Irish soda bread, or just a simple sourdough. They're quick and easy to make up, and they're perfect breakfast for a cozy morning. Let me show you guys how to make them. So when I first created this recipe, I used up my leftover sourdough hot dog buns. But you can use any kind of sourdough bread for this. Today I'm using sourdough Irish soda bread. This is also a great option because it's really thick and dense, so it's going to be perfect for French toast. So whatever kind of bread you're using, you're just going to slice it into thick pieces, and then we're going to slice it into little sticks from there. So now that we have all of our little sticks cut, we're going to set this aside and mix up our French toast batter. So the best thing for French toast is to use a shallow baking dish. This is what's going to allow us to coat all these little French toast sticks easily in the batter. And today I'm using one of my R-Place pans for this, and this works perfectly. I love these pans so much, they're non-toxic. I'll link them in the description for you guys. So we're going to add in 2 large eggs. And next we're going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And now if you don't have heavy whipping cream, you can use milk. I definitely recommend using whole milk, but the heavy whipping cream is just gonna give these like a little bit more richer flavor. It's gonna be so delicious. Next, we're gonna add in our spices, which is just gonna be half a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we're just gonna whisk this together to combine the eggs, cream, and spices. Now that our French toast batter is mixed up, we're going to just drop a few of the sticks into the batter and let them soak for just a few minutes. I like to let these soak while we heat up the pan. And I'm using my R-Place titanium skillet for this. This is my favorite pan for cooking French toast. This heats so well, and it's going to make these really golden brown and so delicious. I will link this in the description for you guys if you want to pick one up. Make sure to flip over your sticks so they get coated evenly on each side. So you want to put your skillet over medium heat. Then you're going to add in about a tablespoon of butter. Once the skillet is completely coated in butter and it's warm, then we're going to add in our French toast sticks. So while the first batch of our French toast sticks is cooking, we're going to soak more in the batter. Once they cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, then we're going to flip them. Then you can also turn them on their sides and give them a little sear. Then you're just going to repeat with all the French toast sticks until everything is cooked. And now we have delicious sourdough French toast sticks that are perfect for a lazy weekend morning. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more easy breakfast recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.